story time. So, oh, where are the missing pieces? Anyway, I didn't lend. A little girl came over to play with the girls, and she batted her eyebrows, and I was like, her eyelids. I was like, oh, can I build one? And I don't let people build my sets. I'm very possessive. But I had the gift with purchase. I had 2 of them. So I was like, perfect. I let her reluctantly still, even though it's a dupe, let her take it home, and she said she was going to bring it back. She brought it back, but there are pieces that are missing. Now, this was a while ago, like 6 months ago. So I'm not going to be as petty as to bang on some little girl's door and be like, where's my little tiny piece? That would be insane. Yeah, right? Right. So I have to keep getting up and trying to see if I have replacements for the set, because I like the set to be complete. So that's why I don't let anybody play with my Lego. So. Right, now to take apart Jane Austen, old book note. Gift with purchase. Not even a Jane Austen fan, but Lego fan. So. Oh, and I probably didn't even mention, but taking these apart so I can put together this, because I need the room.